Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we are going to solve one more problem regarding linked list data structure. Okay, so the problem is remove the duplicates from sorted linked list. Okay, so the problem statement would be given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all the duplicates such that the each element appears only once. Okay, return the linked list sorted as well. See, the given linked list is in sorted manner, okay, and we have to return it in the sorted manner also. So let's see the example. For example, 1 1 2 is a linked list. As you can clearly see, there are two ones, but we have to remove all the duplicates, right? So we have to remove 1 1, so the resultant will be 1 or 2. Okay, second example is 2 1 1 2 and 2 3, so the output will consist of 1 2 and 3, which will in the sorted manner. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share the Java as well as Python implementation, recursive implementation. Okay, again I'm telling, this problem has a lot of solutions, different types of solution, but I am sharing the easy one. Okay, so the approach will be, we are using a set, okay, and using two variables. First one is current variable of data type node, which is pointing to the head initially, and second is the previous node, which is pointing to the null. Okay, so what we can do, we can on each iteration we check whether the current node value is already present in the set or not. If it is present, then we can simply set the previous node next to the current node next, because we have to remove this. Okay, so we have to break the chain, so we are assigning the previous dot next into current dot next. Okay, but if it is not present, then what we can do, we can simply add that current value to the set for future reference and set the previous to the current. That's it, and then after it we return the head. Okay, so let's write the code of this. Okay, as I mentioned, we have to take a set, so set of type integers. Okay, set is equals to new set. Okay, now create two list node type. List node first is current, okay, which is pointing to the initially head, and second one is list node previous, which is pointing to the null initially. Okay, on each iteration, while current is not equals to null, we have to check if set dot contains what, current dot value. Okay, if it is contained, then we can simply set the previous dot next to the current dot next. So previous dot next is equals to current dot next. Okay, but if it is not, right, if it is not, then mention the else condition, which is previous is equals to what, current, and store the current value to the set for the future reference. Okay, so set dot add current dot val. Okay, that's it. Now iterate the current for the next node. So current is equals to current dot next. This is it. See how simple it is. Okay, now return head. Okay, it's time to run this code. Oh, compile error. Okay, where this? Again run this code. Again. Oh, my bad. Correct. Okay, hopefully it can run now. Yep, it is accepted with the runtime of 0 ms. Now submit this code. See, our code is submitted successfully with the runtime of 1 millisecond, but it is showing only the 10.3939% of Java online submission, which is faster for this problem. In memory usage is 38.6 MB. Okay, I told you that it is the easier one but not the efficient one, because in this we only need a hash set for containing, because as we know the default property of the set is it can't contain the duplicates. Okay, that's why we are using the set over here and creating two nodes. First is current, which is pointing to the head initially, and second is previous, which is pointing to the null. And on each iteration we are checking whether the set already contains the current dot value. If it is contained, then we can simply set the previous dot next to the current dot next, so that we can break the chain. And if else condition, if it is not contains, then add the value to the set for the future reference and set the previous to the current. Okay, now iterate it over next and finally return the head. Okay, so this is the Java implementation. If you want to take screenshot, then you can. Now let's move ahead to the Python one. Similar approach will be here, right? In this set is basic stat. Okay, let me change the name. Yes, as okay, right? And what? Yes, first any current is equals to head, and what previous is equals to none, sorry, right? Okay, now iterated while current is not equals to none. In Python there is nothing like null, it is none. Okay, while current is not equals to none, then check if current dot val in s. If it is present in s, then we can simply set previous dot next is equals to current dot next. But what happens if it is not already present? Then previous is equals to current and then s dot add. Okay, s dot add current dot val. Okay, now iterate it. So current is equals to current dot next. Okay, and now finally return the head. And finally return the head node. Okay, so let's run this code. See, it is accepted. Okay, now time to submit this. Yep, our code is submitted successfully. Okay, as you can clearly see, with the runtime of 44 milliseconds, faster than the 49% of the Python 3 online submission for this problem. I am again saying this, that it is the easier approach but not the efficient one. Okay, so what we are doing, we are creating simply the set because of its default property, which is it can't contain the duplicate values. Okay, and the question is remove the duplicate. So the best data structure we can think is set over here. Okay, and now creating the current of the same data type, which is pointing to the head initially and previous to pointing to the none. Okay, while iterating we have to check whether the current dot val is present in set or not. If it is present, then set the previous dot next to the current dot next, else previous is equals to current and add the current value to the set. Now iterate for the next time and return the head. Okay, so this is the Python implementation. Take the screenshot if you want. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.